Everybody, it's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and guess what? Today, Dogecoin is rising, and we're seeing a good thing happen right now. I like what I see, and I see what I like. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully, all you guys are doing well. Let's go over the charts and see what is Dogecoin doing currently. Currently, it is doing phenomenal, in my opinion. Hi, GMBP. How you doing? Hello, hello. What's up, Bushes? What's up, Cook? Kiara. What's up, folks? What's up? What's up? We up. Dogecoin is doing very bullish right now. Very good. What's good, bro? Well, Dogecoin is doing good, so I would say I'm doing good as well. Let's go into Dogecoin and see what's popping, folks. Alrighty then. Doge has gone to take a quick nap? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. This morning when I made the previous live stream, I was telling you guys and you know, ladies and gentlemen, I was saying, you know what? Dogecoin is maintaining the upward support line, so most likely it'll continue. And guess what? It is continuing. That's phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'm very pleased to announce that. So how's everyone doing today? So how's everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone's doing well, right? Hopefully. Let's see here. What do we have here? Yep, I'm a straight shooter, that's for sure. I don't really bother with all the fluff, you know, just tell you guys what I see, and that's pretty much it, you know. Pretty straightforward. Nothing, no magic here. Just keeping it real. Yeah. Yes, I am back, that's for sure. Here's round 2 of the updates. Let's go and see the daily here, right? Day is looking very good. I was telling you guys this morning here, we're seeing a green candlestick, right? And we finally broke out of the downward trend line, and now we're continuing up. So far it's looking very, very good right now. Dogecoin is looking phenomenal. We haven't seen a nice green day in a while, and we're long overdue here. Hey, what's up, Mary? What's up, Jay Traveling? What's up? What's up? So yes, we're currently seeing a nice green candle, and we're moving on up, and we're continuing to keep that long-term upward trend line. Let's go into the 4 hour and see what's going on. You can see on the 4 hour time frame, it is very evident. We're just keeping our upward trend line, and so far looking phenomenal. If you ask me, I like it. Notification squad here. That's good. That's good. That's good. Lots of talk about AMC. Well, I've already went over that yesterday and the day before, so you guys know what's going on with AMC. Looking quite bullish, but at the same token, you need to be weary. It's fun to gamble, but at the same token, you don't want to gamble too much, you know. So, what program is this? Well, what do you mean? What's this program? Are you referring to my chart? My chart is Agora. Okay, my chart is Agora. If you want to give it a go, link down below in my description. 7-day free trial, and there is a 20% discount code for Agora. So you want to give it a go. It's quite cool because you get the Agora ribbon, you get the support and resistance, and of course you get also this beautiful RSI wave with an MFI built into it. So it also gives you pivot points of where they're seeing bearishness and bullishness. So it's a very good tool for pros and amateurs alike. I'm a pro and I like it because it makes my life easier. If you want to give Agora if you want to give Agora Trading Platform a go, there's a 20% discount code. Use my code down below, Hey Jon, okay? And you get a 7-day free trial. Link down below in my description here. It's quite cool. I like it. Hopefully you guys give it a go as well. It's very cool. So it's a very good program. Obviously you still need the human input here, right? You still need to think for yourself because as you know, it's logic, and logic isn't always perfect. So that's kind of where I come in. It makes your life easier, but it doesn't guarantee anything, okay? Just want to make sure I give you that caveat. Okay, so again, on a 4-hour perspective here, we're still very bullish now, right? Even though we're very bullish on a short time frame right here, right? Please understand that we're still long-term bearish because around 39 cents is gonna be your resistance. So around there, be careful, okay? 39 cents is gonna be your resistance. So when we get around there, or anywhere at 39 cents or anywhere near there, right, expect a rejection, okay? Because this will be our first movement up in a long time. So as you know, it won't go to the moon right away. So if you get around there, it'll probably reject, and don't worry about it. That'll be very, very natural, and nothing to be concerned. If anything, that should make you happy, the fact that we're actually bouncing up now and we're seeing some actual volatility. No longer we're just going straight down. So I wanted to make sure I give you guys that that tidbit in case you're day trading or whatever. I know everyone here, some folks are like me, where they're investing, some folks are day trading. So I try to give you all of the different perspectives here. Bear, bull, good, bad, ugly, whatever. You come here, you get everything. Austin Fearless, do you think we will see a spike on June 9th? Austin Fearless, is that because of Elon Musk's birthday or something? Honestly, I don't think we will see anything happen, to be honest, because I think it'll be similar to 420, where everyone's saying, oh my god, 420, it's gonna do fantastic and yada 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 because Elon Musk X, Y, and Z. And when 420 came, nada, we saw a sharp sell-off. So I would say just don't really give it too much credence here. Oh, 6-9? Yeah, I mean, I get what you guys are saying here, but I'm just saying, you know what, I wouldn't give those kind of numbers too much credence, because usually when you get a planned buy or a planned sell, well, guess what, that's a Ponzi scheme. And usually with Ponzi schemes, you and I get left holding the bag. So if I were you guys, just stay away from it, you know what I mean? It's silly, and honestly, it doesn't mean anything. I would just kind of just leave it alone, and who cares? That's what I think about it. But I know there'll be other YouTubers hyping it up, you know, and saying X, Y, and Z. But you know, I'll just say, you know what, don't worry too much about that. It's garbage, you know. It's just a way for other YouTubers to get likes and views and whatever's. I mean, it's definitely good entertainment, but as far as it being an actual like thing to do for actual trading, I would say, you know what, it's garbage and nothing there, you know what I mean? Carlos Alvarado, my wife Yarly, she likes listening to you. Hey Carlos, did I say it right? Yarly or Yarly. Okay. Hopefully I said it right, Carlos. I'm gonna give your wife a shout. What's up, Yarly? How you doing? I'm glad you like listening to me. I think it's great that you don't find me annoying. That's very cool. So I appreciate that, and thank you for letting Carlos watch this as well, because as you know, charts are boring and we try to make it a little bit more fun. And thank you again for the support, and thank you for watching. Thomas Brim, welcoming new Doge Soldier. What's up, Thomas? I said it right? Okay, Yarly, perfect. All right. I had to say it a couple of times because I was like, wait, how do you say this here? Because I've never seen that name before. All right, cool. Very cool. Thank you. You're too kind. Okay, so again, let's go. What's up, Thomas? Yeah, Thomas, by the way, Thomas, go ahead and go into the community page and get your Discord and all that kind of stuff there, right? Join Discord for more plays. I will be more active on it. This weekend was a long weekend, so I didn't do too much because it's a long weekend and there won't be very much going on, so I didn't bother with it too much. Let's see here. So currently on a 4-hour perspective, Dogecoin is doing very well here. Okay, we're currently at 34 cents. Let me see if I see any short-term resistance. Honestly, not really. Honestly, I don't see a lot of resistance or anything here, so I wouldn't be too concerned, to be honest. Right now, it's just kind of one of those things where you just gotta let it do what it does, and we're gonna see a slow, organic movement up. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, this is what you want to see in trading, okay? This is what you want to see in trading here. You want to see a nice, slow, organic movement up, because this tells me people are just buying it just because they're buying it, not because of some YouTuber hype, not because of some news hype. People are just buying it to buy it because they believe in it. When you see this kind of movement here, this is the strongest and the best type of movement. Do you know why? I will tell you why these are the best movements here. Because when you have a YouTuber hyping it up, they are giving you false information, and they are just playing on your emotions. Second thing here, when you don't see any news hyping it up, guess what? Same idea. You don't see any of your emotions being played right here, right? To hype it up. So when you take those two factors out, like this right here, and we're kind of just seeing a nice organic movement up here, this is telling me people like you and I are just buying it because we truly believe in Dogecoin. When you see YouTubers and news hyping it up, this is when you see all of the FOMO come in. And when the FOMO comes in, it pushes the price up dramatically up, and then they want to sell, and it pulls it back down almost immediately. And that isn't what you want to see, because it gives you guys heartburn. So I just wanted to make sure you guys understand that if you watch my channel here, I don't try to hype anything. If anything, I don't think I ever hype anything, actually, even though I probably should. If I did, I'd probably get more viewers and more subscribers, but that isn't what I'm about. I'm here to give you guys, in my opinion, unfiltered and real information and real data-driven opinions, not just because I'm just saying it. So again, I'm just trying to make sure you guys are aware of that kind of stuff. So, and please stay away, okay? Stay away from all the hype, okay? It's not good for you guys, because again, it plays on your emotions. I mean, if you want to watch it for entertainment purposes, by all means, treat it purely as entertainment. Don't treat it as, oh my god, fact or the gospel, because it's not. All right. So again, I just want to say real quick, because obviously you guys watch me for a reason, so I want to make sure you guys get real information, not just some hocus pocus, you know, stuff. So let's go ahead and go into the 1 hour perspective here. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome to the Dogecoin family. What's Doge doing? Well, Doge is definitely rising, because now we are finally rising above the 3289 resistance. And the fact that we kind of broke past it and went up is kind of good here. So it's quite good here. Thomas Bram, you should have some information in your whatchamacallit, what's it called again? You should have the information when you signed up here, but here, let me go to give to you real quick here if you don't find it, I guess. 1 second here. All right. Here we go. All right, brother. Use that link and you should be able to see it, okay? Read the community post and you can see it right there. All the info will be there for you to check it out, okay? So thank you for joining, and let's go back to the 1 hour now, okay? Oh, I need some water. Folks, give me a quick second, okay? I'm gonna go back and get some water. I'll be back really quick. I need some water real quick. Fantastic. I had the water, but I have the cup though, so I have the cup now. All right, thanks for being patient. I need some water because when you talk a lot, make sure you don't little parts. Why is Doge moving up? Because Doge is moving up because Doge wants to move up, because we're seeing organic movement here. Not any hype from YouTubers, not any hype from news, just organic growth. This is the best kind of growth you want to see. This is the kind of growth that will sustain Dogecoin. Nope, this is not a cup and handle. I'm not too sure where you guys are getting your information from, but this is definitely not a cup and handle. Not even remotely close. All right. So again, around 33 cents here, right? The resistance, it broke out and we saw a nice fat candlestick right here, right? If you can see my screen here, the candlestick went from about 32.7 all the way up to 34.6, about a 2-cent rise right there. I mean, 2 cents doesn't sound like a lot, but for Dogecoin, it is a lot. Believe me, okay? So honestly, right now, it is doing great. Okay, so, and also currently on the 1 hour perspective here, right? We're seeing the Agora ribbon here, this green reactionary ribbon here, right? We're seeing it kind of start to curl up soon. It is starting to curl up, so this is fantastic, okay? This is fantastic. This is fantastic, and as you know, I've only bought dips. I haven't bought on a green day, so I've only bought on red days. And when I bought a few, I don't know when I bought, it's been a while already, but whenever I bought though, it kept on going down, but I kept on using my diamond paws, and I said, you know what? You will not get my Dogecoin, baby. They're all mine. And by the way, if you guys have been, watching me the whole weekend, you know, for my live streams here and there, I've been saying on Tuesday, right? On Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we will most likely see a green day for Dogecoin. And now we're seeing the movement towards it. So Tuesday will be a phenomenal day currently. In my opinion, I think Tuesday will be a phenomenal Dogecoin day. So hopefully you guys are on board, and hopefully you guys will make some money, you know? Let's see here. Okay. Fantastic. How long has the bear trade been? Oh, the bear trend. You know what? Let me see. The bear trend has definitely been here for a while though, right? It's definitely, let me go ahead and see and check for you guys real quick. I forget how many days, but let me check, okay? The bear trend has lasted about, let's see. The bear trend has lasted about like 22 days, okay? We saw a 22-day bear trend. I mean, obviously it's really 24 days, but the thing is that we're seeing 2 green days currently, so I don't really consider these 2 green, I don't really consider these 2 current green days to be part of the bear trend, because it's currently moving up and we're currently seeing a slow rise here. So this to me looks like the beginnings of the movement up. Okay, I don't think it's anything to be worried about. I think there's a beginning of the movement up here. So this is phenomenal. I like what I see and I see what I like. I hope you guys do too. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I had a question for you guys. I had a question for you guys in the live stream here. In terms of the quality of my camera, is it getting better now? If you guys are watching my live stream and I guess you can see me, right? Do I look more clear? Do I still look kind of fuzzy or anything? I'm kind of curious because I want to know if the quality is getting better or worse. Because I was kind of messing around with it and I got a new lens. I want to see if it's any better or not. It's better? Okay, cool. Very cool. The light is good. The light is good, and I got a new lens also. So I figured hopefully the new lens works better too. Okay. Yeah. I was doing some research, and I was like, you know what? I need to buy a better lens. I need to buy some better lights here to kind of make sure the quality gets better, because my production quality was terrible. So hopefully it's better now, and I'm glad you guys are confirming that. Thank you so much for letting me know, because obviously when I judge it I can't tell, but I'm glad you guys think so. Yes. I am still ordering some more lights here. It's coming soon. I've been doing research about it. I'm trying to figure it out. So yeah, man, this is great. Thank you so much, guys. Awesome. Seriously, I need a logo, right? Seriously. Yeah, man. No, seriously. I'm working on getting a ladder kind of a ladder type of bookshelf or something. So whenever it comes in, hopefully it makes it better. Lighting is better, and honestly, camera better too. Well, it's the same camera, right? It's the same camera, it's the same DSLR. I just got a better lens. So yeah. I got a new lens, I got some new lights here. Hopefully the lights are helping out. Apparently, I didn't know this, but lighting is a huge thing when it comes to using a camera. Apparently my newbie butt didn't know, so that's what you do when you read. You figure out new things, you learn new things here. So it's great, it's good. Okay, very cool. So let's go back to the charts and hit it, okay? Yeah, man, I'm definitely trying to get more gear to make my my image quality and my production quality better for you guys, because I know how annoying it is to watch garbage videos with garbage quality. So I'm trying to make sure it's better here. Obviously, it was in the budget because this stuff is quite expensive. So Darkroom John was cool too. Yeah, man, definitely things I'm trying to figure out here. So it's very cool, it's very fun. It's definitely a journey, and I'm glad I'm here with you guys because it's a lot of fun. Let's see here. What? Oh, okay. So let's see what the 1 hour is doing. The 1 hour is doing great right now. We have broken around 33 cents here. So let's go into the 15 minute perspective here and see what's going down here, okay? Let's see, all right. On the 15-minute perspective here, right, we're seeing the Agora reaction ribbon continuing going up, continuing trending up. So that's very bullish. That's a good thing. That is exactly what you want to see here, okay? So this to me is looking great. I like it. I hope we can continue it. Now, for the folks here who are saying cup and handle and all this kind of nonsense here, let me show you this, okay? Let me show it to you right now on the 15-minute perspective here, right? This could be a potential bull flag here, okay? This could be a potential bull flag on the short term here, okay? So let me make this some kind of a color thing here so it's easier to see. Let me see. Give me a second, folks. Here we go. All right. I would say this. Whoa. Here we go. I would say this is a potential bull flag. When you see this, there's a pink rectangular box here. This is kind of what you want to see here. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we can continue to trade around inside this pink box here. If we can do this, we can see a potential bull flag, which can do something like this, right? It can do something like this and then break out. Obviously, it may take more time than this though, but that's okay. We are in the beginning stages of watching it, and this is pretty darn cool here. So let's go into a minute here and get the play-by-play and see what is going down, all right? Let's see what's going down here. Oops, let me get rid of that. All right. Fantastic, okay. So hopefully we can do it. Thanks guys for confirming the lighting's actually doing good here. I do have more plans. As you know, everything takes time, so I will definitely be getting to it. Yes, I'm still working on it too. I still haven't finished it yet. The art contest thing, the art thing, I still need to you know, gather everything and put it into one place and kind of look at it. I still haven't done it yet though. I said I would do it. I kind of put it off and I kind of forgot about it. I was just doing other things here. Oh, a PO box. Yes. I need a PO box too. I forgot about that. Yes, you know what? I got a pen here. Let me write it down right now. I always say I'm gonna do something and then I put it in my head, I walk away and I forget about it, you know? Short-term memory things, you know? Short-term memory things. So I'm gonna make a note for myself. Make a PO box and do the art contest, gathering all the data and all the pictures and start looking through it. I keep on saying I'll do it, and then something pops up and I forget about it. I'm so bad. Sorry guys, I'm so bad. Let me make a note real quick. Let me make a note. PO box and art contest. Nice. I just wrote it down. When I write things down, I don't forget. When I put it in my head, I forget and I walk away. Okay, yeah, so honestly looking great right now. Honestly looking fantastic. I like what I see. All right. By the way, I moved the box down a little bit, the rectangle, because I want to make sure I capture all of the candlesticks here, right? Because at the 15-minute, I didn't see some. So on a minute, so on the minute perspective, I see everything. So that's kind of why I moved the box down a little bit, okay? Give another zoom with Tanya with the upgraded quality stream. You know what? I probably should, right? I probably should, because the first time with Tanya, it was a nightmare for her because I was trying to figure it out and she was kind of guinea pig, so I kind of feel bad about that. You know what? I'm gonna reach out to Tanya and see when she is free to do another live stream with me, just for a little follow-up chit chat, nothing crazy, you know, kind of like last time, a little chit chat, just for funsies. So I'll definitely do it for sure. Roller Rock 21, hey, how's it going, John? I've been watching several platforms and I'm drawn to yours because of your technical analysis and for the love of Doge Army, which I am a part of. Keep it the good work. Absolutely, man. David Calix, he says, John out smiles now. He was looking rough when it was taking last week. What are you talking about, bro? I'm always laughing. Even when it goes down, I still laugh. It's not a big deal, right? Because if you're a long-term hodler like me, this is all noise and it doesn't matter, to be honest. Because in the end of the day, and a few years from now, we know where it's going already. It is going to the mother effing moon, so I was never concerned. I was only concerned with finding some dips. But beyond that, though, I would say that's about it, though. Oh, by the way, how was everyone's Memorial? By the way, how was everyone's Memorial Day? Hopefully, you guys and gals had some good food, good family, good times, good laughs, and now we are back to business, watching Dogecoin rise. And this, in my opinion, here is the beginning of a bull run. Not a guarantee, but the beginning of it, though. Mary M says lots of cooking. Oh no! Hopefully you enjoyed, though, Mary M. Hopefully you enjoy it, though. Let's see here. Titters and Eggs says, ladies and gentlemen, it is begun. Do not underestimate the tenacity of Elon Musk and the Doge. You will lose. Just getting started. I couldn't agree more. And I'm finally seeing that chart, the beginnings of a bull run. You know what? Let's go ahead and go into the blockchain and see what's going down with Dogecoin. Okay, let me go ahead and check it out here. Let me refresh it and go into the Dogecoin and see what's popping, baby. Let's see here. Jimmy Clark, hey John, do you stake Doge for 1 month or 3 or flex? On crypto.com, I do 3 months at a time because I like the more interest, you know what I'm saying? And for me, I don't really have any rush. So it's like, why not right here? Why not make more? Because again, I don't plan on selling for a long time. So the more coins I get, the more moolahs I make. Tony Cook, hey John, when you trying to gain coins, Tony Cook says, hey John, when you trying to gain coins, and more profit is where to go? What? Oh, I was reading it. I guess it went away. Sorry. Right. Okay. So let me go back into the blockchain here and show you guys what I'm currently seeing here for the supports and resistance. Okay. Hopefully you can see it pretty clearly, and let's get to it. Right. All right. So a support here, right? A strong support will be from 31.5 up to 32.5, about a 1 cent spread there. Okay, there's about 3.48 billion Dogecoin, you know, given to about 87,000 individuals. So this is quite a bit of individuals here. So to me, this is looking like a pretty strong support in my opinion here. Okay, a resistance, okay, a strong resistance will be around 35.6 to about 36.6, about a 1 cent spread. There's about 1.77 billion Dogecoin dispersed to about 70,000 individuals. So yeah, we're definitely seeing quite a bit of we are definitely seeing quite a bit of bank holders around 35.6 to about 36.6 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and see the charts here and see how that looks. Okay, so so let's see, 30, was it again? 356 to 366. Okay, 356. Let me zoom out. You know what? Let me go to a different time frame here to get a little more zoomy look. 356. You know, let's do 1 hour. That's probably better. Here you go. So 356 to about 366. So around here to about here. Okay. 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 All right. So we can see around 356 to about 366 here. Okay. Is a resistance, and we can see on the chart it does look, it honestly does look like a resistance as well. So around there we should see a possible possible rejection around there. But in my opinion, around there, I don't think the current people there, right? I don't think they want to sell. So I don't think around 35.6 to maybe 36.6, I don't think they're gonna sell. I think if anything, we would just go right through it like butter, because around there, why are they gonna sell for a break-even price? I mean, they could, but I don't think so. In my opinion, I don't think so. Shiba Inu is about to pump? Probably. Hopefully it pumps, because I want my position to make some money off for me, so hopefully it pumps. I definitely don't want to lose money off my Shiba Inu play, so. All right, let's go back into the 1 minute perspective here and see what else we see on the Bitcoin. I'm sorry, the Dogecoin data here. Let's see the quick view, okay? Let's see the quick view of into the blockchain here. They're saying we're mostly bullish. That's good. Let's see here. We're seeing some more bullishness here. So I'm seeing lots of reasons to be bullish here, at least per into the blockchain. They're saying we're bullish. So you know what? I'm gonna say I guess they're right. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't look at every single signal here, but from a dashboard perspective, they're saying we're bullish. You know what? I like that. Let's be bullish. Let's see here. Wow. Folks, look at this right here. Check this out here, okay? This is into the blockchain here. Look at concentration by large holders, 66% here. You see that? 66% is held by big holders here. That is crazy, man. That is crazy how many big whales there are in Dogecoin. 66% here. That's crazy. Let's see what else we see here. Okay. That's cool. Let's see the price. What does price say here? It doesn't say much about this. Bulls and bears. Okay, not a whole bunch here. It's kind of a break even here. Let's see network. Let's see, nothing there. Let's see concentration here, right? Let's see what's going down for concentration here. So this is probably how they got their this is probably how they got their 66% here, right? Because you're seeing over here the whales. There are 8 whales. One whale holds about 28.31% of all the coins. That is incredible. And investors here, right? Investors, right? We're seeing 57 investors here. So that means they're holding quite a bit though. Wow. Some folks are holding 380 million Dogecoin. Some are holding 1 billion Dogecoin. Wow. 892 million. Geez, that's a lot of Dogecoin, man. No way am I around there, that's for sure. And then we can see here, right? The investors is blue, the whales are green, and the retail is 34%. So we're seeing about 65% the whales for the investors and whale. That's incredible, man. That's incredible, because when you see that kind of stuff, when you see that kind of a high when you see such a high concentration of whales holding all the coins, my God, they can definitely do whatever they want. And the reason why I bought into the blockchain is to give you guys more insight for free, because this costs money and nobody wants to pay money for things here. So I want to make sure I give you guys more value, and that's how I give you guys more value. I give you guys the fundamentals, aka the news. I give you live streams about technical analysis, and of course I give you guys into the blockchain data for free. Right? And then now we're seeing folks join my channel here to support me. I think that's phenomenal when you guys join. When you guys join my channel here to support me, I think that's great, because it helps keep me going, and it helps me it helps me get more equipment to do more higher production quality video for you guys, and buy more information for you guys as well to kind of distribute to you guys. So obviously, when you guys support me, that's kind of what I put my money, the money into. Obviously, sorry for 1 second. Whoa! Oh dang! Give me a quick second, folks. Give me a quick second. I put a wire on my table. I need a towel. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. Apparently I was clumsy. Oh man, I was choking on something. Sorry guys. Oh man. All right, 1 second. Join my table there. There's apparently a lot of water on my table because I pushed the cup over. So I'm still here, folks. Give me a quick second here. Just join my table real quick. There's water's everywhere now. All right, cool. All right, that's cool. We're back in business now. Sorry for the coughs, folks. Sorry for the coughs. Apparently, I choked up on saliva and I started to, cough a little bit. So sorry about that. Yeah, it's live, right? So things happen for sure. Okay, yeah. So let's see. Let me answer some questions here, and we will watch the live stream as we go along. So, of course, I read everyone's question here. Doesn't matter if you're a member or not. But of course, if you're a member here, you support my channel. That's fantastic. If you don't, that's okay too. Just make sure you subscribe and like, so YouTube will share my videos with more people, so I can grow the dang channel here, so we can get more views and get more better equipment and better information in the future here. So. Tony Cook says, "Hey John, do you think it is smart or risky to sell your gains to buy more coins, or is it too risky with?" Well, well, Tony, you sound like a typical person who wants to basically trade and get more coins, but usually when you trade to get more coins, most folks, sorry folks, most times when people do day trading, 9 out of 10 times they lose. So usually I don't really encourage day trading too much because of that reason there. So if you want to day trade, it's up to you. It's purely a personal choice, but I'm just saying I don't really encourage it, because usually with day trading you usually lose. So just be careful, okay? So if you want to go ahead, but usually if you want to do day trading for Dogecoin, it's probably a better idea to do a swing trade. You're more likely to make some moolah. And also if you if you do day trading, right, do not forget, you need to keep track of it, and you need to pay your taxes or the taxman will come and get you. So if you want to, by all means, but in my opinion, it's a lot easier to just buy and hodl. I understand everyone wants to get, I do understand everyone wants to be a millionaire overnight, but the truth is, 99%, but the truth is, 99% of people lose more than they make. So just food for thought here, okay? Saras, I'm gonna say Sar because I can't read the whole name here. Sar says, what do you think about cherry tokens like Elongate, SPE, and Feed token, etc.? I think they're cherry tokens. I don't think too much of it either. It's a cherry token. I mean, you know, if you're here to trade and make money, I don't think you really want to invest into a cherry token. And why would you bother investing into a cherry token? Why don't you just give money or a donation straight to your favorite charity, like Red Cross or whatever, you know, or whatever a charity you like? Why bother going into cryptocurrency? So in my opinion, that's what I think about that. I think that if you, you know, I think the word charity token is quite misleading, because again, if you truly want to support a cause, you can donate money directly to the foundation. You don't need to go into a intermediary, you know, to support a charity or whatever you want to do. So I think it's a little misleading, and I think these new coins here who say this are trying to prey on you guys, and possibly a Ponzi scheme, in my opinion. So just my opinion, obviously. There's no wrong or right. If you want to, go ahead. But I'm just saying, you know. Sar says, no, I mean, I invest to make money, but I prefer to win while I help instead of a meme or whatever. Well, at Sar, that's purely up to you. You know, if you want to make money, there are way better coins out there. Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can stake Bitcoin or Ethereum and make interest for a year. I mean, you can do whatever you want, you know. You don't have to go into a cherry token. I mean, if you want to, go ahead. But for me, I'm gonna stay away. For me, personally speaking, I'm gonna stay away, because to me, it sounds misleading, and I don't want to get into that. But just my own personal opinion. I understand everyone's different here, so no problem. If you want to go into it, no problem, man. Go for it, dude. Go for it. Let's see there. No, that wasn't financial advice. I'm saying if you want to do it, go for it. I'm just saying it's not for me. Okay, so we broke on below the bullish flag here, so this bullish flag didn't hold, but it was from the 50-minute time frame, so obviously it's not going to be a very, very strong thing to see there, so it's okay. And the thing to note here is that we're still in a long-term bear trend. So when you see pops, the drops will follow even closer and even faster. So until we get out of this bear trend here, well, guess what? You're seeing lots of headwind, and the headwind is going to go against you. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Let's see here. Oh, Sarah. Oh, my bad. I just saw all those A's and S's. I'm like, I'm not read that, dude. So I said SAR. So you prefer to invest in a token that pumps or dumps related to a billionaire Twitter account? Absolutely. Okay. I am definitely an Elon Musk fanboy, even though I know there is inherent risk with following Elon Musk and his pumps with his Twitters, you know. So far, Elon Musk has been more bullish. Actually, I'm sorry, let me correct that. So far, Elon Musk has only been bullish on Dogecoin. So yes, I will support him and I will go with Elon Musk. I am a fanboy, and I do understand that there's inherent risk there, and I'm not blind to that, but in my opinion, there's more pros than cons. So that's kind of what I think about that. And now you're seeing Mark Cuban accepted for his Dallas Mavericks there, so another billionaire supports it. So you know what? If they're supporting it, you know what? I'm gonna follow the smart money. That's what I'm gonna do. You don't have to, obviously. I'm just saying that's what I'm just saying that's what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so it is a Ponzi scheme that benefits Elon. Okay, sure, if you say so. I mean, we don't really know how many coins Elon Musk actually has here, right? So if it's a Ponzi scheme for Elon Musk, well, okay, I guess so. But you know what? Either which way, I can still make money off of a Ponzi scheme. I'm okay with that. You know, my whole point of investing into Dogecoin is to make money. And if I can make money off a Ponzi scheme, why not, man? Why not? I have no idea at Uptick Miami, what is 50 ARS? I have no idea what ARS is. I was like, what is that? I have no idea. So I couldn't tell you, bro. I have no idea. I saw that, and I looked at it, I'm like, ARS, what's that? I was like, I don't know, but whatever. So, I mean, you know, everyone hates on Elon Musk, and that's okay. We have different opinions. It's all good. It's all good, right? You know, it's America. We have the freedom of speech. You can say whatever you want. There's no wrong or right, you know? It's purely my opinion here. So just Argentino peso. Okay. All right, good. I still have no idea what that means though, because I've never been to Argentina, so. Okay, very cool, very cool. So we are bouncing off of 32.8 here, okay? 32.8, we bounced off it. That's pretty good. And as you know, 32.8 was a support. So this is good. This is good. Jonathan says, aren't all stocks a Ponzi scheme? No, they're not. Because with a stock, you actually own the company, right? And if you believe in a company, and if you know what the company does, it is a huge difference, okay? A huge difference, all right? For example, if you buy Coca-Cola here, right? You know what Coca-Cola does. They make beverages, and they buy different beverage companies, and they make more beverages. I mean, if you think that's a Ponzi scheme, hey, by all means. But I think Coca-Cola is making a beverage that people want to buy, and where they want to exchange their monies for an actual product. So to me, that is not a Ponzi scheme whatsoever. So, you know, I think that when you guys hear the word Ponzi scheme, I think sometimes maybe you guys and gals may not have a clear understanding of that, and you're kind of misconstruing it, and you're kind of, you know, making all these companies evil. And not every company is evil. You know what I mean? Some are actually very good, right? But as you know, when there's one bad egg, the whole carton is bad, and everyone thinks the whole thing is bad now. But you know what? It's only one bad egg, though. Okay, not every company is bad though. So just things like that. I love Elon too, but saying that any crypto is Ponzi, real ones, of course, not scams, is wrong. The concept of Ponzi is that one benefits of the others. Okay. Okay. I didn't say any crypto is better than any. I don't think I said anything about cryptocurrency. I was speaking about Coca-Cola because and giving you an example there. I'm not really saying any cryptocurrency is a Ponzi scheme. What I'm saying is that when you have charity, when you have charity tokens or whatever it's here, right? Why bother with that when you can go directly to a charity? That is my point. I don't need to go into a third party to support a charity. So I'll leave it at that though, okay? Sarah, John is worth more than 50 plus YouTube takes half. I did say that. I did say charity tokens are a Ponzi scheme, because to me, I was saying they're a Ponzi scheme because they're misleading. Why do you need to have a cryptocurrency coin to do a charity when you can go directly to the charity itself? There's no need to go through a third-party intermediary so they can take profits from you giving directly to the charity itself. Okay, when you give money to a cryptocurrency, right, there are going to be fees, and you're going to take away the money from the, and you're going to take money away from the actual charity itself. So my point is that when I said to you, let me make sure I'm being very clear here, okay? Let me make sure I'm being crystal clear, because some of you guys are hearing one thing, but you're not hearing the whole thing here. All right? So clearly, okay, I'm saying that if you want to donate to a charity, do it directly, A to B, okay? When you go through a third party or a charity token here, right? It'll be A, B, and C. And guess what? B will take a cut. So therefore C, the charity, will get lesser of the money here. And if you truly want to support a charity, go directly to the charity is my point. Let's see here. Seriously. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna leave it at that, man. If you want to invest in charity tokens, by all means, I'm not gonna stop you, bro. It's all good. You do you. I'm just saying, you know what? I'm not gonna bother with that stuff right there. That's my opinion there, okay? It's not about who's right or wrong here. It's purely an opinion. Let's see here. Sarah says, no, you don't need to invest in a charity token to help, as you don't need to invest in a meme coin, as memes are free on our internet. Okay, fantastic. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Very good questions. You know, it's always cool to hear different perspectives. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. You know, I'm just trying to give you a different perspective, but if you don't want to hear it, that's okay too, right here. That's okay too. And by the way, Dogecoin isn't really a meme. I mean, yes, it's a meme token, but when I buy into Dogecoin, I'm buying into it because Elon Musk, I'm a fanboy and I'm following the money here. And of course, you know, Sarah's point or whatever she said, it's totally valid for her opinion. But obviously, when I said to her or him, maybe it didn't resonate, and that's okay too. That's okay too. My whole point is that if you want to make money, there are other investments where you can make pure money. Wow, Genre Accord says, Genre Accord says, perspective means wrong, John says. Well, I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just saying it's a different perspective, you know. You know, I may see a dog, you may see a cat right here, right? I'm gonna say, no, man, it's a dog because, you know, it jumps all over you and it licks you. A cat wouldn't do that. It'll probably just, you know, scratch you right away. Oh my God. By the way, ladies and gentlemen here, I saw this thing on Twitter the other day and it kind of blew my mind. I didn't know if you guys knew this, but it was news to me. So essentially Twitch, right? You know Twitch, the streaming platform? I didn't know this, but apparently women go on Twitch and they sit in like little like plastic like bathtubs or something, you know, where the kids kind of play water into, you know, play water. You know, a little kid's you know, water tub or pool right here, right? You know those plastic ones? And then they sit there and they do Twitch streams. I think that's craziness. Yeah, I saw a thing, and to me it was crazy. I'm like, wait, people actually watching this stuff here? I'm like, wow, okay. I mean, I didn't watch it myself, but I saw, I'm like, I mean, yes, inflatable hot tubs, yes, inflatable hot tubs. That's what it's called. But it's basically like a, you know, a kid's pool or something. And I was watching, I was like, what? I mean, yeah, they do it on Twitch, and they kind of wear, you know, like very like. It's like very interesting. It's definitely interesting. That's what I'm saying. It's definitely interesting. Well, Wait, a game chick did it. She got in trouble. I don't know about trouble, but it was. I was like, my mind was blown because for me, Twitch has always been Twitch has mostly been a streaming platform for Twitch is mostly a streaming platform for gaming here. So when I saw that, I was like, what? When did Twitch get into that kind of genre? I was like, what in the world is going on here? So definitely very interesting to see here. Yeah, I was thinking this girl sitting there playing PlayStation and like doing that. I was like, what in the world? But anyways, let's see what is Dogecoin doing right now.
But we also learned there is no substitute.
Let's see here. So we're seeing a little pullback.
When you fly again.
Let's see here. We're seeing a little pullback here, right? And we saw a pullback all the way down to about 33 cents, which is the long-term support there, and we kind of bounced off it, so that's good. Let's see if we can make 33 cents a support, or will it become a resistance again. So definitely a thing to watch here and see what's going down. Hopefully we can continue bouncing up here, and let's see if we can make 33 cents a support instead of a resistance. Yep, it is definitely a Memorial Day weekend, that's for sure. Shots, shots, shots. You guys are funny. Resistance. Let's see here. John Wells taking a nap. Well, the whales are definitely not interested in Dogecoin currently, that's for sure. They're definitely a little bit taking a nap right now, kind of chilling out. That's okay. That's okay, as they should, right? As they should. The whales have done plenty of fun for us, so it's time for them to take a break. And let's see if we can go back to the moon. We playing live fiction tonight? Nah, man. We are not playing live fiction tonight, that's for sure. Absolutely not. Okay, let's see what is going down, baby. Let's see what is going down. Let's see. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Let's see here. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's see. Need this to be loud? Well, it's pretty loud already. I don't make it too loud because then it might go crazy. Yeah, man. Tomorrow I will be live streaming Dogecoin for sure. I'm sorry. Tomorrow I'll be live streaming AMC and GME in the morning for the market open here to see what's going down. I'll probably do a stream maybe for an hour or so in the morning when the market opens to see what's going down. So tomorrow should be very fun for AMC, GME, and Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So I will definitely be waking up early to do a live stream for that one there. Yep. Definitely will be doing a early morning live stream on that one to see what's going down. Hopefully AMC and GME goes to the moon here. It is definitely interesting to see. But I suspect around a Tuesday, it'll probably wake up and rock it up here, in my opinion here. So Yes. Tomorrow I will be doing a market open, okay? Whatever time zone you are in, that will be the market open. I will be market open too. New York, different time. Central different time. PST is different time. So, you know. Got AMC at $9. Wow, you are doing well then. You are doing well. Yeah. So tomorrow it'll be 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I think 7:30 is gonna be Central Time maybe, and then Eastern Time will be 8:30. Victoria Armstrong, she says, "Hey John, do you think when the jobs info is released on the 4th, we will see another dip? By jobs info, do you mean, are you referring to the unemployment stuff, the UI data for first-time unemployment, or are you referring to the actual like hiring and firing kind of stuff? I forget exactly, but I suspect we're gonna see more. Well, we are seeing less unemployment here, first-time filers, so I guess that's a good thing. It really depends on the jobs data, right? For the jobs data, it really depends, you know? It really depends. Okay. So I mixed up my time. That's okay. But you know what I meant though. Basically, market open. Okay. So yeah, man. I think it depends. Honestly, it depends. If we have good job data, then yeah, we can still move up. If we have bad job data, we'll probably pull back here. But the truth is that most of the jobs being offered are just retail jobs, and retail jobs aren't very high paying. So, and even though we are making more jobs here, right? I wouldn't say we are really creating more jobs. I think what's really going on is that we are just giving back some of the old jobs back, right? Because we're seeing things reopen again, so we're seeing some rehiring of the old employees. But even though we are rehiring some of the old employees, guess what? We aren't rehiring all of the old employees, only some, right? Mostly the creme la creme here. So there are others being tossed aside where they can't find work. In my opinion, though, I think the economy is doing a lot worse than what it shows on the news, on mainstream media, right? In my opinion, in my opinion, obviously purely my opinion here, I'm not trying to give you guys FUD or anything, but in my opinion, currently America is in a depression or a very strong recession, either one of those two. In my opinion, the reason why I say that is because the only reason why we are doing the way we are doing currently is because of the government injection of money here. Without that, we would completely collapse. Again, when I say this to you guys, it's not to create FUD or anything. Just purely my opinion. When I drive around my city here, right? When I drive around my city, I see plenty of stores closed. I mean, there's blocks and blocks and blocks of shops closed. Everything is gone. And you know, the news is saying, oh, that's great. You know, we're hiring people. We're doing great. Yeah, you're rehiring the old employees. But what they're forgetting to tell you guys is that, yeah, we aren't hiring all of the old employees. So me just sharing this with you guys here is not trying to create FUD or anything, okay? I want to make sure that, okay, I'm very bullish on the economy, but facts are facts here. When you walk around your city, your neighborhood, whatever it may be, you're gonna see a different story here, okay? Just because you see on CNBC or CNN or Fox News or whatever, and you see these ladies and gentlemen with their $5,000 suits and beautiful dresses and designer clothing, right? On the TV screen here saying, hey, you know what, everything's good. The truth is, in reality, in the world I live in, you know, where I'm not a millionaire, it's not true. The real economy is terrible, right? The only reason why we are in the current state we are in currently is because of all of the injection of money here. And as you know, all the money being printed goes to large corporations, okay? And when they hire people, right? I'm sorry. And when these corporations get this money here, right? They still let go people. You know why? Because if they let go people, they can decrease their bottom line because, as you know, business isn't as booming, so you don't need as many people anymore. So even though we're giving money to these big corporations, right? They're getting that money and they're firing the people who they're supposed to keep on board because they're getting this money here. And let me ask you guys a question here. Who do you think is paying for all this? I can assure you, it is not the 1% of the 1% of the 1%. It is people like you and I, okay? You and I are paying for these large injections and these large stimulus checks here. There is no such thing as a free lunch. Somebody's paying for it, and I guarantee you, it is not the 1% of the 1% of the 1%. It'll be you and me, okay? So don't be too happy when you guys get a stimmy check, okay? Because that stimmy check is you paying yourself back and you paying others to get that stimmy check. So it's very, very misleading in my opinion as well. But of course, I do believe in a US government and we have to do it because we will see anarchy, because people have to eat. I do get that, but please understand though, in the real world, the economy is doing horrible. I literally drove down 5 blocks here, right? And I saw about, in those 5 blocks, say we have about 50 businesses in those 5 blocks here, right? I saw about 24 closed. And let me tell you guys right there, when you see 24 businesses closed here, right? These are 24 small businesses. That is a lot of money right there. And these people have mortgages right here, right? And how are they gonna pay for their whole mortgages or for their kids, you know, stuff and X, Y, and Z? I mean, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna see some very, very tough times here. So hopefully you guys are diversifying. Maybe buy some gold, maybe buy some silver, maybe buy some Dogecoin. I'm not saying go crazy and go all in, but make sure you guys are diversifying, okay? You need to protect your wealth. So hopefully you guys didn't find it too annoying. I went on a tangent there because I saw Victoria Armstrong's because I saw Victoria's Armstrong's question here, or her phrase, and it kind of just triggered me and I kept on talking, you know. So hopefully I didn't bore you to death with that stuff there, you know what I mean? So if I did, I do apologize. All my Doge, John's conservative. I'm not conservative at all, by the way. I'm not conservative. I'm not liberal. To me, these are things we have to be aware of here, right? Just like when I say you have to be aware of the bears and the bulls. I'm neither bearish or bullish here, right? Just like I'm neither left or right. What I want to do is protect my monies and make more monies. So you have to know that information, so you know how to navigate the world we live in. All right. But of course, you know, some folks may misconstrue that, and that's okay too. That's okay too. Okay, let's see what is a Dogecoin doing here. Yeah, guys, throw some flags. Throw some flags into the chat here to celebrate the veterans who have passed away. Genre Cord, go on a tirade, John. Tell that dude to get his own channel. What we talking about? What dude? What dude are you talking about? Oh no, did I trigger some kind of war here? Because that wasn't my intention, you know, that wasn't my intention. You know, hopefully, you know, me saying those kind of things wasn't me trying to start a political war here. That wasn't the point of it, okay? That wasn't the point. I mean, I don't think I said anything political either, but yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I didn't. I'm pretty sure I didn't. Because I'm usually pretty conscious about that because I don't want to trigger any kind of, you know, left, right, red, blue kind of stuff here. That isn't the point of me talking about those kind of things, you know. Okay, so some people make everything political. That's true too. That's true too. But I was kind of, you know, as they say right here, right? When you point at someone here, right? As the saying goes, when you point at someone, guess what? There are 4 fingers that point back at you. So before I point at you, let me make sure I check myself first. That's kind of why I was asking you guys, wait, did I say anything like that? Did I say anything like that? So, okay, USA, fantastic. USA. USA. Okay. I gotcha. Look at Sky. Oh my god, Sky is so nosy. Holy moly. You know, I mean, I've never reviewed the reason why I never review my position of Dogecoin because it is irrelevant, right? There are tons of crazies out there and you never want to share how much or how little you have because there's no point of flexing, okay? Flexing does nothing for anyone here, and there's no point of flexing because when you do that, you can make someone potentially feel bad, and there's no need for that, okay? Dogecoin is only about doing only good every day. So if I do that, I may be flexing, and I may make someone feel bad, and I don't want to do that. There's no point of me doing that. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, I don't flex, by the way. I don't need to flex, you know? I don't see a reason to flex. It's like, I don't have anything to prove. I'm just gonna do me and you're gonna do you. Okay. Let's go and see around 33 cents. Can we see a support there? And can we bounce up and go to the mother effing moon? All right. I want to go to the mother effing moon. I'm tired of being here. I'm pretty sure you're tired of being here. So come on, Dogecoin. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are funny. Bust out the MUSK spanker? Oh. Seriously, man. All I want to know is, can we go to the mother effing moon already, okay? I want to go to the mother effing moon. Hopefully you guys want to go there too, because I definitely want to go there for sure. And of course, when you guys invest into Dogecoin right here, right, or any cryptocurrency, make sure you don't go all in, okay? Because cryptocurrencies are very volatile and they're very, very unproven, okay? So I just want to make sure I kind of throw it out there because I know some folks like to go all in and go crazy with it, and I never think that's a good idea, and never ever do I encourage anyone to go all in, ever, even in the stock market. So please be careful. Erica Raj says, hey John, I hope you're doing well. Erica Raj, I am doing phenomenal and thank you for asking. I hope you are doing well too. Exactly. Never go all in because you may lose it all here, right? Right? Because when you go all in, you're essentially gambling, right? And you don't want to gamble, man. You want to make sure you make some money, you know? Let's see here. Roger says, I'm local. I'm all in on Doge and AMC. All right, bro. Just be careful, Roger. Just be careful, okay? Just be careful, man. I mean, I get it. AMC and GME are very fun, very exciting. When you see a 50%, 100%, nice run up there, it's fantastic. But please be careful and please take profits here and there, okay? I'm not saying take it all off, but take some, okay? Make sure you walk away with some profits, even though you are spending your hard-earned money here, and you don't want to make sure you don't put all your, well, you want to make sure you don't lose all of your opportunity costs, okay? And I don't give financial advice. I just share with you guys what I would do. Obviously, you can do whatever you want, but, just wanted to throw that out there. What? What? What's going on here? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Syed Zab says, we're gonna dump to 15 cents. Well, somebody sold and they want to get back in. That's what it sounded to me. I mean, yeah, could it happen? Sure, right? Anything could happen, but likeliness, I don't think it's very likely though. So I definitely want to hold my breath. I mean, if you want to, by all means, but you may go blue before it happens. So just be careful, guys. Well, you know what? I don't give financial advice or tips here, but sometimes folks want to get into Dogecoin or any investment here, right? And everybody wants to get a dip. Everybody wants to get a dip. And when they see a dip, they want an even bigger dip, right? And when they keep on when they have that kind of mentality, right? They're setting themselves up to miss the trade. Because as you know, the more and more you wait for something here, right? For a dip after dip after dip, you think, and you keep on thinking, you know what? I saw a dip here and it dipped again. And you think, okay, you know what? There'll be another dip here. So I'm gonna wait again. I'm gonna wait again here, right? When you keep on doing that, when it finally starts moving up, right? When it finally starts moving up, guess what? It'll be too late. You're gonna say, no, it's too expensive. I'm gonna wait for the pullback again because I know it will. And before you know it, it'll be at a very high price, and then you end up chasing the trade because now you have FOMO at the mouth. So that's kind of why you always want to buy dips when you see it. And you always want to go maybe 1-2%. I don't give financial advice. That is just what I do. So just food for thought here, okay? Sometimes you wait too long and you miss the whole trade because you are just being an insane penny pincher. I've seen it many times, even with my personal friends here. So I'm like, bro, why are you trying to, like, I mean, for example, right? One of my friends was trying to buy the stock here, right? It was like a $10.50 or something, and it was dipping down. It went up to about $10. I'm like, bro, this is a support here. Go get some right here. He goes, nah, man, let's dip some more. I'm gonna take some money here. And then it dipped down to like $9.75. I'm like, bro, okay, you're not gonna get it. Okay, that's fine here, right? He goes, nah, bro, it's a dip again. And then before you know it, it was back at $10.75, and he changed the trade, and then it went back down to $9. So he basically missed the whole trade, and when he bought into it too high, and now he's down a lot now. I'm like, bro, you should have bought the dip when you saw it though, and you have been down lesser here. And of course, I was telling him on the same day, but now he's like, you know what? I'm gonna do it from now. I'm gonna buy dips now, you know. I'm like, okay, bro, it's up to you, right? You know, but it's all good. It's all good, man, because as you know, no one can ever predict the future. But you know what? It's when you buy red days here, you're gonna do pretty good though. I already short AMC, but gonna buy like 2 shares to see what happens. You know what? AMC is looking good for a short, in my opinion. But at the same token, be careful, okay? Be careful. Let's see here. I was in Polygon like 2 weeks ago. Well, you know what? You know what was 2 weeks ago right here, right? It was a different thing, because the reason why it was different is because we saw for the first time true fear, uncertainty, and doubt go into all of the news syndications. from a bunch of big countries, China, etc., USA. That is why you saw. That is kind of why you saw a nice and huge pullback. But now Bitcoin has seen about a 45 or 44% decrease, a haircut there. So I don't think we're gonna see another 40% haircut for Bitcoin. I mean, could it happen? Sure. Likely? I don't think so. What do you mean? Hey John, you got some sicko and Doge use on Discord. You should ban him. Skylar AJ40. What happened, Jacob? What did he do? Let me see. I don't know. I have no idea. What am I looking for, by the way? I don't see anything. Oh wow. Oh, I see. You're right. Not cool, man. Not cool, man. I totally agree with that one for sure. Yeah, I just saw Skylar's AJ whatever's message right there. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Not cool, man. Not cool, man. No, yeah, it's very rude. It's very rude. It's very rude, and obviously, you know, I don't read every single message here, so thank you for pointing that out there, you know what I mean? So I definitely delete that message there, and hopefully that individual does not continue doing that kind of ridiculous talk, because not cool, man. Not cool, man. I don't like it when folks disrespect other people, you know what I'm saying? For me, I hate disrespect like that. It just bugs me. Shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame, man. Some folks just have no class, you know? Stay classy, San Diego. Isn't that Robin? Isn't that a reference to Anchorman? I think right here, Anchorman, I believe, right? Man, Anchorman is such a funny show, dude. Yeah, Anchorman, love that movie, man. Oh my god. God, what's his name? I can't remember his name. The guy who was. Let me see what's his name. What's his name again? Anchorman. What's his name again? Ron Burgundy, yes. Will Ferrell, my god, I love Will Ferrell. He's so funny. Will Ferrell is my dude, man. That guy's my dude. Ron Burgundy. you know what's really funny? The scene in Anchorman right here, right? Where they're all kind of doing a bro down or a news anchor bro down. You know, you're seeing like one channel station versus a like one channel versus another channel versus another channel, and they're kind of square and they're kind of just like you're. I probably did a bad description, but it's pretty funny though. Let's see here. Okay, so Dogecoin is bouncing around, okay? It is bouncing around. Oh, come on, bro. Why are you spamming for? Why are you spamming, man? Why are you spamming, bro? Holy cow, no spamming, please. It's not that, is it that difficult to not spam? Holy moly, guys, come on now. All right, so yeah, we're bouncing around the 33-cent support here. Let's see if we can keep it. What you do about ANKR? Hey John, everybody, just got here. What's good? Adam Brandenburg, you know what is good, man? Dogecoin is doing a nice bounce. That is what is good, man. Okay, that is what is good, and we pulled back. That's no bueno, and now we are bouncing off of the 33-cent support, and that is phenomenal. Holy moly. Wow, this guy has a lot of a lot of usernames here, right? This user has a lot of names here. Holy moly. This is quite funny, actually. Seriously, dude. I wonder if this guy is the same person who was trolling me for the longest time, saying I stutter and blah, blah, blah. I wonder if he got the message and started doing some different annoying tactics. Maybe this is him again, right? In a new form where he isn't attacking me about stuttering or whatever's anymore. You know, I was kind of curious, where did he go, right? So, huh? That's Barry? Probably is Barry, right? It could be, it could be. Hey, Carolina. Barry, yeah, Barry Silva or Silva. I think Barry Silva here, right? Wait, let me see what is his name again? Barry Dogecoin Shorter. What's his name? Silbert. Barry Silbert. I'm like Silver. Barry Silbert. There you go. I like Silver. That's funny. Dilbert. Dilbert's funny. I like Dilbert too. Very good cartoon. Let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, honestly, by the way, is Dilbert still going or has it ended? Obviously I have no idea because I haven't bought a newspaper in a very long time, so. Tech Jersey, hey John, you are a better man than I am. I would have banned him. The kind of guy I would break his neck for sure. Well, I mean, there's no point, you know. There's no point. It's a waste of time, and I don't want to get my hands dirty, to be honest, so not worth my time. Wait, so is Dilbert gone or is it still going? I'm not too sure. Ray Bowyer says, came to Hey Jon for a tech know-how and stay for the positive vibes. Love you do. Thanks, bro. I do for you. You know what? I'm gonna start blocking this guy now. He's being too much here. He's making Robin's job too difficult. So I will have to start blocking him for you, know what I mean? Oh geez Louise. Some folks just need to find a better thing to do. Charleston Chew is one of the best things ever created. Isn't that a candy? I think it's a candy, right? It's kind of like honey a little bit with some peanuts, I think. I don't know, man. I think maybe peanuts also. I haven't had that. I haven't had that in a long time here, so I don't know. Well, we're watching Dogecoin and kind of just watching it go along because, well, this is a Dogecoin channel, so we cover Dogecoin. Big League Chew. Robin says, Richard Simmons, go make a workout. Richard Simmons, go make a workout video or something. Seriously, right? Homeboy has too much energy. He needs to work it out, you know? He needs to work it out. Dude, Dude, I love Robin, man. She's so funny, dude. She's so funny. She's so awesome, dude. I love the ish she says, man, because it cracks me the hell up. And honestly, I usually can't read what she says. I usually can't read what Robin says with a straight face because it's kind of funny. No. I know who Richard Simmons is. I know who he is. That's why that That's funny. That's funny. I love it. That's funny. Bum 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 bum. You guys are great. I'm blushing? Really? I don't think I'm blushing, dude, but all right. I guess I am. Who am I to argue, right? Who am I to argue with you guys? You guys are the best. Underdog. Oh my God. Underdog is awesome, dude. That's awesome. What? You my guy answer? What do you mean you my guy? What do you mean by you my guy? Holy cow. Holy cow. No, I got it. Richard Simmons. Wait. Mary M says Richard Simmons has to be in his 80s. Holy cow. Let's go look right here. I'm kind of curious. How old is Richard Simmons? I'm curious. How old is he? He is 72 years old, and my God, was this man wow. This man, Richard Simmons, right? Richard Simmons was definitely very, very eccentric right here, right? Very eccentric. I wonder if he can still do his moves here, right? Can he still do his moves? I wonder. Wait, what? 72 years old is so young? Not even joking. Roger, how is 72 years? Well, I guess 72 years old is young, I guess. Let's see here. Okay, Pirate P sent me a tweet. Okay, let's see what his tweet's about here. Hopefully we have some good information. Let's see here. Pirate Pete sent me a tweet. Let's see. My Doge coins just came. Okay. Nice. Pirate Pete, how big are your coins? Are they like quarter size? Are they like quarter sizes, or like how big are they? You know, maybe an inch and a half. That's pretty cool. Someone should tell Richard to invest in Doge. That'd be great. Tony Cook says Richard Simmons taught Chuck Norris how to kick. Just saying. Man, I haven't seen a Chuck Norris reference in a long time. That's too funny, bro. It's too funny. That is too funny here. Oh, come on now. Obviously, Richard Simmons will win, right? Hands down, dude. Hands down. What's your opinion on the death cross we are approaching? Well, Victoria Armstrong, which time frame are you referring to here, right? Which time frame are you referring to? But it just depends. If it's a short-term one, then it'll be a short-term pullback. If it's on a daily or something, or 4 hour, then it can last long, right? 15 minutes, maybe a few days. Hour, maybe a few days. Just depends on when it happens, you know. Carolina says, John, besides Dogecoin, I guess in the near future we're gonna have air cars like Stockblade Air Mobility and Joby Aviation, Uber Elevate. What do you think? I say Carolina. Okay, Carolina. I don't think that's very likely, because if we cannot get autonomous vehicles on the ground, imagine how much harder it is to get an air car. I mean, folks, let's be honest here, okay? Air cars are not going to happen for a very long time, okay? I don't think it's happening for a very, very long time. And when it does happen, I will probably be dead or near dead, so it doesn't matter. But of course, though, at the rate technology is developing here, right? I mean, it could happen here. It could happen. But I'm just saying, I don't think it's very likely. And I wouldn't be very, honestly, I wouldn't be very enthusiastic if I saw an air car. I mean, do you guys remember a week or two or a few weeks back or something? On the East Coast here, right? On the East Coast, we had an oil refinery get hacked, right? An oil refinery got hacked and there was no oil or gas on the East Coast for many states here. I mean, do we really want autonomous vehicles flying everywhere? And what if they get hacked, right? What if a terrorist or something hacks it, right? These air vehicles can become weapons, man. And honestly, I don't want to be seeing a car crash into me from the sky. So, I mean, yeah, man, I'm not for it for sure. I'm definitely not for it. And yeah, man, I'm pretty sure lots of folks, if we do have those kind of things, there will be lots of folks who will be against it, I guarantee you. Nike hover shoes. Jetpacks? I don't know, man. I'm not sure if I want to see anyone flying, to be honest. Very, very scary to see the idea of a bunch of people flying around. So
Hired to expertly inspect our produce department in every store. Their mission is to ensure we have the freshest bananas, lettuce, and more. Now that the secret is out, you know what else is?
Drew Nasty says, imagine a car collision happens in the air and there's like 3 cars falling from the sky directly towards you. Super scary. I couldn't agree more. And imagine, right? We have flying cars here, right? How will you regulate? Because obviously when you're on the ground, you have stoplights here, right? But when you're in the air, I mean, it's definitely a scary dot, in my opinion. Very, very scary here. You want a flying car? Buy a helicopter, Elon. That's funny. Tesla air car? I mean, I don't know about that one, man. I don't think that one will pass, to be honest. An air car? I mean, I mean, sure it can, but I definitely wouldn't bet on it, that's for sure. Nice, nice. Okay, folks, we are bouncing back up. We are bouncing. We are trying to bounce back up here. Very, very cool. Very cool here. And oh, by the way, if we do have air cars, imagine how expensive the fuel will be here, right? I mean, you know, jets use tons of fuel. And imagine air cars, and if we're complaining about $5 a gallon of gas right here, right? Imagine air cars, they probably take even more gas and cost even more to operate, so. Jetsons. I definitely want the Jetsons made though. Carolina Vera says, John, I just sent you the tweet. John, I just sent you a tweet about Elon, Tesla, and air cars. Okay, let me go and check your tweet at Carolina. Oh, Doge Mother, is that you? Okay, I think that's you. Let me see here. Let's see here. Inverse.com. Okay. So I'd never heard of this new syndication. So I wonder how credible are they right here, right? Let's see here. Tesla electric aircraft, Elon Musk responds to Model V concept VTOL or VTOL. Let's see. The Tesla CEO has responded to a new concept art. Oh, okay. He responded to a new concept art that imagines a Tesla designed vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Okay. Keyword being concept art. It is just art. It's not even a prototype. It is not even a proof of concept. It is still on paper, just a drawing and an idea here. So let's see here. A concept design for Tesla Model V electric aircraft has caught the attention of Elon Musk, the CEO of the electric car firm, blah, blah, blah. Let's get all that stuff right there. He says, looks pretty cool. Musk wrote in response to a Twitter post from Blue BND detailing the concept. A Tesla flying machine has become the stuff of legends, while Musk had suggested several times that it's not a top priority. He's also dropped hints that he's given the idea serious thought. Musk said in 2008 that an electric jet becomes more feasible as batteries improve. In 2012, he said he had a design for the past 4 years, dropping references again in 2014, 2015, and in 2016. He described it as a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, one that wouldn't need a runway. And in 2017, he said it was not inconceivable he would do an electric plane. Okay. Again, the key word saying is not inconceivable. Well, that means that, you know what, it is purely speculation right here, right? It's like saying, hey, you know what, I won't go to the restroom right now, but I may go later here, right? So you never know, man. You never know here. Abbott Davies design shows how one could look in practice. It has 3 ducted fans that can be used to fly vertically with titanium turbine blades, with the rear fan on a gimbal to switch to forward flight. This is gyroscopically stabilized to provide a smoother flight. Okay, well, the problem is this, is that when we see these titanium blades here, right, it's gonna push a lot of thrust, lots of air here. I don't know how safe this would be if you are around this here, right? How much thrust would this be, and can it move people around? I don't know. Let's see here. Looks pretty cool. Okay. Okay. It says here it has three motors powered by lithium-ion batteries. A 1250 kilowatt rear motor paired with dual 650 kilowatt brushless motors geared with rotor blades. All this adds up to provide distributed electric propulsion, meaning if one part fails, the aircraft can land safely. Yeah, man, this is definitely very cool here. So why hasn't Musk pursued the electric train idea? Because, as he claims, battery technology isn't quite there yet. During his September 2018 appearance on the Joe Rogan Experience, Musk explained how current electric car batteries offer around 250 watt-hours per kilogram. A jet will need a density of at least 400 watt-hours per kilogram to take off, but 500 may be more ideal. All hope is not lost. Tesla purchased a battery firm, Maxwell Technologies, in February 2018 that could provide the answer. During the presentation at the Needham Growth Conference, Maxwell Technologies claimed that it could offer batteries with 300 watt-hours per kilogram. It also identified a path to 500 watt-hours. Okay. Tesla is expected to host a battery day where it explains more about its recent advancements in this technology space at its Fremont facility on September 15th. Okay. Well, you know what? This could definitely be interesting, but batteries are very heavy. And apparently we are nowhere near what we need to be to do that. So definitely gonna be a long time for sure. Check my Twitter. Okay, let's see what my Twitter is saying. I don't know. Well trades. 1.8 million longs. Okay, that makes sense. 1.3 million long. Okay, there you go. Okay, very cool. Wow, that's a pretty big coin, man. Very cool, Parrot Pete. Very cool, very cool. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, so we're seeing about 3 million coins. Well, $3 million being bought around 32.7 there, so that's pretty good. That makes sense right here, right? Around 32.7 is gonna be your support here, right? 32.7 your support. So it looks like, right, you're seeing 32.7 be support here, right? And you see on my chart here, I see around 32.9. So clearly this person here, this whale trade here, right? This person here watches my live stream and they are doing great because they are buying the dip at the support zone. So clearly this person here watches my channel. I hope they support me. I hope they are watching and I hope they are making that moolah. Yeah, man, I definitely see pink in the future for sure. Just a matter of when. Roger says 1.8 million is chump change to some people. Well, clearly, I wish I was one of those people. Don't worry, folks. Mandingo will definitely come alive one day. Don't worry. Mandingo will definitely come, baby. Don't worry, folks. It's a matter of time, a matter of when here. Don't worry, he's coming. He's coming on. He's coming on. Who is coming? What do you mean who is coming? Coming to what? Not sure what you're referencing right there, but I don't follow. Yeah, man. All right, folks, make sure you guys subscribe and like, please. When you subscribe and like, you're telling YouTube, I like what Hey Jon is doing, so let's continue spreading his video out to more people and recommending it. And when you subscribe, you are supporting my channel, and I appreciate you very much for that. I'm making a coin soon. Probably can, right? Everyone is making coins nowadays. I bought an AMC call option last week. Wish me luck. Okay, Lone Doing. Wait, at Brown. Okay, Brown. I wish you all the luck, bro. I hope you make that moolah. London Brown. Okay, London Brown. I hope you make a good call option. I hope you make that moolah. Okay. Just don't get greedy and make sure you sell it ASAP. I mean, I guess you could get greedy, but just be careful, man. Doji Hall Doll. Hey, John, missed you all day. How you been? I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the show. Hopefully you guys are doing well because Dogecoin is finally bouncing off of the 32.9 support, and now it is using it as a support. To me, that is phenomenal. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Greed is good, absolutely. I love me some greed, for sure. For sure. Ray Dogs. John, every time I join your stream, you always fight with a chat? Really? Okay. I don't think I'm really fighting with the chat. I just read some of it and I respond to it, but okay. Let's see here. Roger says Vitalik Buterin has great interviews. I've been researching all the devs that started crypto revolution. Okay. Yeah, man. Vitalik is definitely you know, interesting. Vitalik is definitely an interesting character, right? Definitely young and definitely very talented, that's for sure. Well, I mean, obviously I can't do TA every single second because there's only so much going on. So I go back and read the chat and try, you know, make sure I interact with you guys. So, you know, we can talk and stuff because it's kind of fun to interact with you guys. Obviously, talking to a wall, it gets kind of boring after a while. So. That's true. That's true. That's true. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh.
Want to know the secret to making sure everything at Ralph's is fresh? Secret shoppers. Spies we hire to expertly inspect the produce department.
There is no hype on 6ix9ine, man. No hype on 6ix9ine. It is a reference to 69 or whatever. I would say pay no mind. It'll be the same thing as 420. It's gonna come, it's gonna go, and you know, none doesn't happen.
More participating items and save $1 each with card. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
You know what, Mary M? Mary M, if you didn't read the chat, people complain. You know, there's no satisfying people. If I go on a chart, people say, hey, why don't you read the chat? If I read the chat, I'm arguing with you guys here. Everything I do is wrong. What do? I don't know, man. I don't know. So I try to just do a fine balance of some TA and some reading of the chat, you know? You know what I mean? Some folks are just too critical, right? Or some folks come in here and you go, me, give me all your attention, right? It's like, oh, come on, bro, come on, calm down. I get to you when I can, okay? You just can't win with some people, you know? I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. Oh, no, I totally agree. I do get to decide, right? That's kind of why I go back and forth, because I don't want to only just do the charts only. I want to make sure I also interact with people here. Because, you know, it's fun to interact with people. That's kind of why I do live streams right here, right? If I didn't want to interact with you guys and gals, then I'll just make a video and have it pre-recorded. The whole point of doing live streaming is so I can talk to you guys and interact. So that's kind of more fun in my opinion, so. Let's see, Carolina has sent me another tweet. Okay, let's see what she has sent me. Hopefully something good here. Woody Fresh? Okay, Lobster, Simple, Insecure, Stellar Wallet. Okay, let's see, wait, what? What is this again? Wait, what did I just click here? This is a way to buy Dogecoin in Brazil with credit or debit card instantly. Lobster, okay. I have no idea what this is, but I guess per Carolina here, right? If you're in Brazil, I guess you can buy Dogecoin using a credit card. Available in Brazil and 100+ countries. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I guess this is cool. I mean, yeah, it is cool. It works out if you want to just buy it directly. I mean, you can definitely deal with other stuff too right here, right? Like, you know, WEBULL, Robinhood or whatever. But I mean, if you want to do that way, hey, another option is good, right? Options are good. Jay Travelin says, I'm just happy you show up and do what you do. You do not have to do this. So I appreciate it, and I'm sure I speak for many folk. Well, I mean, you know, I do for you guys, obviously. So obviously I don't read a chart, so it's not for me. So honestly, I'm just glad you guys actually enjoyed it and get some value from it, right? I mean, that's the whole purpose of me doing this right here. So it's really cool. And I'm always amazed. I'm always amazed that that people come in and watch this show because as you know, I'm not the most entertaining person in the world here, right? You have like Meet Kevin, you have like Graham Stephan, you have all these big guys here, and you can watch me, my little show here. You know what? I am more than humbled, you know, more than humbled and very appreciative. Robin says, don't forget to tip your server. You know what's crazy? Today I went out today, right? Today I went out and I ordered 2 sandwiches and one drink here, right? I ended up spending about $64, including tip. I was like, holy cow. And I didn't even go anywhere fancy, just a regular place. I mean, holy cow. When someone tells me inflation isn't real, I'm gonna say, bro, you haven't ate out at a restaurant. You have not ate out you haven't been to a restaurant recently. It is definitely expensive, you know. No, it wasn't filet mignon. It's just a regular restaurant, you know. Nothing crazy, but just the sign of the times, you know, a sign of the times. Cheers. What's up, Jay Travelin? Cheers, bro. Cheers. Let's see here. Yeah, you know, I try to read the messages that I think are actually valuable or nice or good, you know. So, you know, and I do understand not everyone has money, right? And you know, I don't expect everyone to super chat because that'd be ridiculous too. Because then I'll be reading like a million super chats and I can't do it either. So it's kind of a nice balance where I can read some here and some there. So it's quite cool. Let's see here. Scott Irish says, if we all learn from each other, then we are all helping each other. John is a great teacher if you listen. Well, hopefully you guys, you know, take some notes here because it's good for you. That's about all there is to say, right? Oh no. What the heck's going on? Why are we breaking down below the 328 support or the 33-cent support there? What is going on there? What is going on? Why are we breaking support? I don't want to see that happen. Come on now, that's not cool, man. That's not cool here. Okay, we're seeing a nice wick here, right? Nice. We saw a nice wick here, right? So check this out. This wick here is a good thing. This means that people are buying a dip. Even though we broke down below the support, they came in and bought it. Yes. Score for the bulls. Score for the bulls. I like that. I like that. That's cool, man. That's cool. That's good. That's good, man. Let's see if we can maintain it and go back into the support zone, okay? Let's go. Oh my God, it's breaking back down again. Oh my God, what's going on? What's going on, guys? What's going on, man? Now we're seeing some more. I want to zoom in here so we can see better, okay? So let me zoom in so we can see the price action, you know, more clearly. Man, I am tired of this bearishness, man. We've had about 22 days, maybe 24 days if you include the 2 green days here, right? 24 days of bearishness. Honestly, I'm a little tired from it, you know, from all the bearishness and all the fear mongering, all that kind of BS. But at the same token, I know that this is only a phase, and before we know it, we're gonna go and rise back up again. So we just need to be patient. It's an unfortunate reality, but it be what it be, okay, folks? And just like the Backstreet Boys say, quit playing games with my heart, okay? Hopefully I don't get demonetized for saying that. I'm not sure if I will though. Hopefully not though. I'm quoting the Backstreet Boys. Oh, Marjorie D Bros. Keep doing what you do. I appreciate you, and go gentle to the moon. Absolutely, man. Let's go to the moon, baby. Nice. Okay, now we're bouncing back and we're taking back the support. That's what I want to see, baby. That's what I want to see. Doge not following BTC anymore? Yeah, man. Doge is definitely following BTC for sure. There is no doubt whatsoever, man. We are for sure following Dogecoin. I mean, not to a T, but very, very close though. Oh God. All right, and we have our cheapies here. We have some of our cheapie folks. When you already see like 45% or 50% off, they want another sell. Oh my God. Oh my God. I used to work at Circuit City right? I used to work at Circuit City, and my God, being a sales rep there when I was younger, man, oh man, I was like, man, please, for the love of God, do not negotiate with me, okay? I don't own Circuit City here. And people would negotiate with me. It's the craziest concept in the world. Where do you think I have control of the prices? So I see folks in here praying for a dip when we already dipped pretty hard already. Just takes me back to my old days. John Power Warriors would push a price up. Hopefully. The net, welcome selling cars. Well, I've never sold cars, but yeah, man. And then the funny thing is that I remember going to the manager and saying, hey bro, this person here wants a 5% discount or whatever. Can we do it? Manager says sure. So I go back to the person and say, you know bro, we can give you a 5% discount because you're very annoying. You know, obviously I didn't say that. Obviously I didn't say that right there, right? And then once they get that, they go, you know what? Can I get 7% off? I'm like, oh my God, bro, go away. Go away. Let's see here. Who had oysters today? Ooh, okay. Calvin Swin had oysters today. Very cool. Barry Silbert still hitting Doge? Is he? You know what? Let me see. What is Barry Silbert saying right now? I haven't been really paying attention. I haven't been really paying attention to what he said. So let me see. What is Barry Silbert saying here? Barry Silbert. Okay. Let's see, what is the man saying here? What do you think the future of Dogecoin is at JCGTA? Well, I personally think Dogecoin is going to the moon in a few years, okay? I truly believe that, and I believe this year we can see $1 by the end of the year, okay? Not a guarantee, just my own personal belief. It is not financial advice. There is no information backing it up. Purely my conjecture and purely my speculation. Let's see here. What is Barry Silbert saying here? Blah, blah, blah. Grayscale, blah, blah, blah. Retweeted this. Who cares? Blah, blah, blah. No one cares about that. More customers. No one cares either. Huh. Yeah, I don't really see anything here. I don't see about Dogecoin. I think Barry Silver's already done already, so. Or, yeah. Scott Martin, yeah, buddy, making that moolah 480 today. Great job, man. Great job. Great job, brother. Just make sure that when you're scalping here, make sure it's a very short scalp, because as you know, we are still in a downtrend and these bounces are not going to be so crazy, so be careful. Hi, did Wendy's taco salad? Roger says, I only buy if I'm getting cash back or using a coupon. You guys are hilarious. I love it. I love it, man. You guys are great.
Want to know the secret to making sure everything at Ralph's is fresh? Secret shoppers.
Oh, Raph says, I sent you what he said. Okay. Raph sent me the Twitter thing. Let me see here. What did he say here?
Now that the secret is out, you know what else is? Tomatoes.
Dang you, Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah, Doge still has a 37 billion market cap. That will be the tell. Okay. Still have a draft of that capitulation tweet handy? What's your ideal market cap then? It's going back to sub 1 billion. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry, Bill Silver. I think Dogecoin investors and believers are a little more stubborn than you give them credit for. You're being naive. Doge is the ultimate momentum gamble trade. Once the momentum is gone, and the current holders take a bath on a trade, they'll move on to the next one. They'll learn there are many other better ways to make 10x. Okay, that is a fair. I mean, honestly, that is a fair statement to say, though. That is a fair statement to say here. Barry, just remember, the more you hate on Doge, the less likely those buyers will ever purchase Bitcoin. You don't convince people by belittling them. It's very unconvincing. I don't know why Bitcoin people are so hell bent on shooting themselves in the foot. Barry Silver says thinking something is overvalued does not equal hate. Wanting people to lose money is mean, Barry. Why would you possibly think I want people to lose money here? I say in my opinion publicly that Doge was overvalued to potentially help people not lose money. Perhaps I'll be proven wrong. Won't be the first time. Let's see here. You've been in space long enough to know that the value of everything, including Bitcoin, comes from collective belief. Thus, you do understand that making a public position is influential. Claiming you aren't trying to influence and looking out for people is disingenuous. When did I say I wasn't trying to influence? That is the point of tweeting. We ran a multi-million-dollar ad campaign to drop gold, stating our belief that gold was overvalued relative to Bitcoin. I didn't get death threats over that one. Right, so using rational logic, if you tweet that something is overvalued when you know the entire value comes from collective belief, you would like that asset to devalue, causing people to lose money. You understand this because you are a rational and intelligent human being. It is the entire value of something comes from a collective belief and not usefulness or utility. Then that thing is overvalued. There's another name for that, but I'm not going there as I know it wasn't created for that purpose or why most people loved it early on like me. Yo, dude, this is a major foot and mouth. You aren't a dummy. You know that the value of Bitcoin is mostly due to utility and usefulness, but due to collective belief. This is no good, man. I will delete this tweet. Bitcoin has both. Doge does not. Prove me wrong, and I'll be a buyer. Holy moly. Scott Martin, so grateful for you, bro. Taught me a lot. Appreciate you. Fantastic, fantastic. Oh my god. Barry Silbert and Billy M2K are just going at it toe to toe. I mean, what is the point of this though? Let me go ahead and see here. Here we go. Let me be a troll here, okay? Let me be a troll. All right. Let me tell Barry Silbert here, okay? All right. Oh, no. Here we go. Here we go. Barry Silbert. Let me see this guy here. Let's see. Barry Silbert. My good man. I hate to break it to you, but the good folks in the hashtag Dogecoin hashtag. Let's see here. Let's see here. So Barry Silbert, my good man, I hate to break it to you, but the good folks in the hashtag Dogecoin Army, Dogecoin, and Dogecoin Rise, and at It's All Risky, I will speak for myself when I say you are overvalued. Mic drop. I want to have some fun, and I want to be a little troll and give him some of his own dang medicine, right? Is he a top gamer? I don't know. But yeah, it was fun to give him some of his own medicine. Oh no, we are breaking down below the 33-cent resistance. I'm sorry, support here. Oh man, that's no bueno. Oh, come on now, what's going on, dude? Oh man, let's see what the 5. Oh, sorry guys. Let me see what the 15 minutes doing real quick. Okay, so we may pull back to around, let's see here. We may pull back to around 32 cents here, right? 32 cents would be a support zone as well. Well, because 32 cents would be the upward trend line. So let's see if we can bounce off of 32 cents there. Okay. Yeah, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is definitely doing what Dogecoin does, that's for sure. A flash crash off the table now. I would say so. I mean, could it happen? Sure, but I think tomorrow's gonna be a green day for. But in my opinion, I believe tomorrow will be a green day for Dogecoin and Bitcoin, though. So tomorrow I will be doing a live stream on AMC, GME, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin in the morning. So make sure you guys are subscribed and notified. So when I go live tomorrow, you know what's going down and check it out, okay? I will be in a live stream, and make sure you guys do only good every day and take care and have fun.